Live Link is JCB's take on telematics, and what you get through Live Link is all the standard sort of GPS tracking features as you would get with anything else, where the machine is, whether it's running or not. You can also set a boundary. If the machine leaves that area, you'll get notified. You can set a curfew, essentially, so if the machine starts up out of hours, you'll get notified for that as well. On top of all that sort of standard GPS tracker stuff, Live Link interfaces with the systems on the machine, and that allows it to report things like fuel level, battery level, when the machine's due for service, and any fault codes that may pop up. Live Link allows you to monitor your machine throughout the day. You can see if the machine is running, whether it's working in a high, medium, or low power band, or whether it's idling. It also allows you to monitor unauthorized usage. If the machine leaves a job site, or even if it's stolen, Live Link can track that. And because it has an internal battery, if the machine's battery or Live Link unit is disconnected, you can still track and monitor the machine. Live Link is coming standard on all new machines with a 5-year contract. For machines that were built before Live Link integration, Live Link Lite is an option, and that just provides all the GPS tracking features without the machine diagnostic interface.